Happy Halloween! Hello, welcome in to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. Today's craft is going to be a candy dish for Halloween. Let's jump right in and get started. I've got these little 4-packs from the Dollar Tree. Super cute, right? Let's just see if I can get mine separated here. All right, we only need one. And I'm going to leave it to say Happy Halloween. It's got the sticker on the bottom for the one. I got them when they were still the 125. Obviously, they're going to be more than that right now. But we only need one. I got these little skulls. You can get these everywhere. They got the little mini skulls. I got these, again, at the Dollar Tree. It's an 8-pack. We are going to need 10. So you're going to need 2 sets of the 8-pack. I'm going to put this on a wood disc. This is from the wood pile. You get 6 of them, and they're 6.5 inches. And I got these at Hobby Lobby wood pile section. We're going to use some of the Jenga blocks. These were from Dollar Tree, little Jenga blocks. I'm going to use 4 of them. And let's do some painting. So I'm going to go ahead, normally, well, I'll just use Waverly because it's handy. It's a chalk paint. This is ink, Waverly. And we're just going to paint our wood base. Normally, on the wood bases, I like to just stain them. This is a Halloween project, so we're going to go ahead with the painting. Okay. After I paint that, we're going to go ahead and I also want to paint the Jenga blocks. Chances are you're not going to see them, but I want to make sure that they're painted just in case you might be able to see them. So we're just going to make sure that they're painted. Jenga blocks are all painted. I did not do the bottoms because I did not feel like it was that big a deal to do the bottoms. But basically, we are going to, I was going to leave the sticker on, but I think I'm going to take it off. Because this is a plastic surface, I'm going to go ahead. I've got some Gorilla Glue. Make sure you're in a ventilated area. This stuff can be very strong smelling. Put that on the bottom of that. We also are going to go ahead with the Jenga blocks. I want to stagger them like this. I mean, we don't have to, but I'm going to. And we're just going to take the clear tacky glue. In fact, actually, you know what? We'll just keep them together. I'm going to make sure we put them on our evenly under our bucket, like so. And then we want to put them centered on our project, like good. Now with the little skulls, like you could totally paint them. If you don't like the way they look like this, I'm actually okay with the way they look. And we're just going to lay them out before we glue them on down, just to make sure we have enough spacing here. Like I said, I think I counted it out and I needed 10 of them. Again, we're just going to take our tacky glue and glue them on down. Okay, they're all glued on. How cute is that? Last thing I want to do is Spanish moss, because we can't have a project this fun without some Spanish moss. Just gonna take bits and pieces of our Spanish moss here. All right. Super easy, quick, and fun. All done, and all you have to do is load up the candy. All right, keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.